In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Now tap on Allow and Agree in all pop-ups if you never used it before, and when you finished to use Recorder, tap on this red button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. You can tap on this icon at the top right corner to enable or disable voice enhancement. Then click on this one at the bottom right one to pause it or unpause it, this left one to add a bookmark, and the middle one to end it and save it. Now to play your recording, click on it and hit Allow. Then manage it using all of those options at the bottom, like Edit, Skip Silences, Speed, and Tag. You can play it to adjust all of those options on the go. Then go back and hold your recording to manage all of those, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!